US was tough and US is getting tougher. Now we get queries from prospects based out in US who are on a valid visa, and they are extremely worried about the current situation. And their thinking is not on the basis of any assumptions, but yes, it is coming out of back-to-back announcement by the US government. Now, the current situation is such that even those who are on a valid visa, they are extremely worried that their visa might get revoked any point of time. If their visa expires, they will not have too much of time to renew their visa, because if we talk in terms of optional practical training visa, OPT visa, which an international student gets post completion of reserve studies, the grace period they are proposing that might get reduced from 60 days to 30 days. If we talk in terms of H-1B visa, it is no further going to be lottery based. They are proposing that it would be on the basis of the salary, on the basis of wages. So definitely those who are on higher wage might get an advantage, but those who are freshers or might be starting of the career might be at a great disadvantage. Now, the best solution to it definitely is to think of alternative, and the best alternative to US as a country or as a destination could be Australia. Yes, Australia provides skilled migration, and they have a very defined quota which their government announces every financial year, and they live by it. So if they are announcing, say, they would be taking around 80,000 applications under PR visa, they for sure would be completing those 80,000 in that particular financial year. And their selection is not on the basis of salary or wages, but it is completely on the skill set of the individual. So if your occupation is aligning with the skill shortage occupation list of Australia, and if you are meeting those required eligibility point, you are very much qualifying to apply for Australian immigration. And ultimately, you can definitely aspire towards getting your permanent residency of Australia or provisional permanent residency of Australia. And remember, getting a PR is any day better than being on a work permit. Any day. Because if you are on a work permit, you are limited to an employer. Even if you get any better opportunity, you cannot move out. In case if the employer suddenly decide to end your contract, you will not get too many days to look out for a new employer. Because when you are on a permanent resident visa, your status is any day as good as a citizen, just that you do not have the right to vote. The other alternative that we can advise and suggest you is to consider Canada, because Canada is going to come very big. They have been making many new announcements with category based draw, where they are giving priority to those occupations where their country needs resources. For instance, professionals from healthcare, teaching professionals, professionals from trade profiles, or people who have good proficiency in French language. And even Canada gives you a PR, because in Canada they do not have any concept of provisional PR. So if you are worried about US, or you are somebody who has been dreaming on your life for a opportunity in Silicon Valley, come out of it and think of the alternative option, because time is precious. Be it Australia, be it Canada, it is your timely action that can definitely help you reach to your dream destination. So we are there to support you. For any alternative suggestion to US, reach out to Hodophiles Xplore Visas to get the best advice. Thank you.